Hello! In this video I show how to use Canon Print app. I cover the following. Find my podcasts about printers. First, I download the app to my mobile from the App Store and add the printer, which is already on my local Wi-Fi network. Few moments later, here is the main menu on the Canon Print app. Let's customize it. Icons can be moved or deleted from the main screen and organized or added some new icons. So far I use the iPhone. On Android device, select App Store and download the Canon Print app. Open and search for local Wi-Fi printers. It's the same app main menu as before. Let's select a document and print. Different settings are available, including two-sided print for the printer, which I have reviewed in the video in the upper right corner of the screen. Next function I show is called Smartphone Copy. I use Smart Device camera to scan the document. I recommend to apply filter, not to use too much ink. Later in the video I show how to save on ink. Next, I will print a photo. Different media sizes and types are supported up to A4 format borderless. If device has only one paper tray, the plain paper needs to be replaced with photomedia. Photomedia has backside and front printable side. In the paper cassette, printable side needs to be on the bottom. When paper cassette is closed, on the printer, media size and type need to be selected. Many printable sizes are available also to print borderless. The photo has been printed, and in the next chapter I show more features. Let's log into printer settings. Select the printer icon and then select printer information. Different printers may require different login. Latest models support easy connection method by holding the connect button for 3 seconds. Here is full printer settings and I select manuals. The section Getting the most out of your printer shows you the hints and tips for usage in different scenarios. There are more apps and software available for Pixma devices. Find information on the screen. When I select Print Photo Items, this menu brings me to download or open another app called Easy Photo Print Editor. You can find one of my Canon inkjet software videos in the upper right corner on the screen. Next, I cover about copy function. On devices with the screen, you can select copy settings from the screen, including two-sided print if printer supports it. You can save on ink by reducing the intensity. Also, zoom settings are available. On models with square display, you find QR button, and when this button is lit, you can press it to get the on-screen QR code which guides to additional information. In this case, it's about copying possibilities. What about if device has no screen? Then you can only have paper selection button. The custom size can only be selected via the printer settings, and I have covered this part in the upper right corner. Then you can press black or color start button a number of times, as many copies you want. So, if your printer has no display and is connected to the app, you can see the copy menu, which I will bring to the top of my screen, as it is very practical to use copy from the Canon Print app. From the copy menu, I find all the copy settings via the smart device screen. Let me set my settings, which will reduce ink consumption while copying. I reduce the copy intensity, or I can print in draft mode, which is lower quality. The output copy is not the highest quality, but I have saved on ink and the information is still visible. In the last part I show about cloud integration with laser or business inkjets, supported also on all consumer Wi-Fi printers. I select cloud from the main menu and find available cloud services. On business models with color touch displays, you find cloud menu also from the printer screen. Find my full tutorial about business features and cloud integration on Maxify GX series in the upper right corner video. For final demonstration, I log into my G Drive using Face ID and then scan a document to my G Drive folder. Here are the scan settings, and the scanning to cloud starts quickly, and I could do this from anywhere, same as I can print from anywhere. I don't need to be on the same local network with the printer. And that would be all in this video. Find more about printers on my channel and feel free to subscribe if you find my content useful, as this helps me to grow the channel and create more content. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye!